What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Cocos, which has had a major increase in value. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing, and guys, it has gone up 110% up in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, it all started up this afternoon about, let's say, about 10-12 hours ago, and right now it's currently trading at $2.13. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to, how high can it go, and mainly focusing on, is it time to buy it, is it too late, or on the other hand, if you have already invested into the crypto, is it time to sell it and take out your profits, or is it time to hold on to it before it goes up even higher? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high Cocos can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and we can see the market is down just about 0.3%, nothing major, and Cocos is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 4% in value. Over the last day, a massive 107%, and again, it's not really in the last 24 hours, it's probably in the last 10 hours, I would say, since about this afternoon. Over the week, 197, nearly 200% up, guys, with a major increase here about 2-3 days ago, as you can see here, and right now has absolutely taken off, and over the month 275%. So yeah, this crypto has been performing absolutely well over the last 4 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 230%, making it $446 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Cocos. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, as it's one of the top gainers. So more and more people are interested into the project and also investing into it as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Cocos, which at the moment is sitting at 87 cents here in purple. However, it is trading at nearly 3 times its value in red here at $2.12, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, of course, we are going to have the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. And again, guys, it is looking too steep, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place, and again, we can't really base it off that. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, what I am expecting is an overall drop in value below the $2 mark, guys. So let's say by midday tomorrow, we should be seeing Cocos crypto trading around $1.70 to $1.80 is what my predictions are at the moment. Again, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up even higher to about $2.25, $2.30, and then once it's hit that around that target, it's likely to slowly and steadily drop back down in value to around $1.70 to $1.80 by midday tomorrow, or even less than that over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, again, exact same, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, very steep, meaning once again it is not realistic. So again, an overall decrease in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days from Cocos. So let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of next week, I'm expecting Cocos to be trading at again around $1.80 to $1.90 is what I'm expecting. Only reason I'm saying that is because over the coming days, so let's say over the next 24 to 48 hours, I'm expecting Cocos to be dropping down to about $1.40, $1.50, and then it should be slowly and steadily starting to gain value towards mid to end of next week, bringing it back up to about $1.90. And again, I'm saying it's going to drop down in value only because it's done so much of an increase over the last 10 hours that, it has to take a little step back. It has to take a little breather. That applies to any cryptos out there. That's what I go by, and the exact same applies to Cocos as well. Moving on to the daily chart, once again, as you guys can clearly see, the blue and the orange line are still looking very bullish, very steep, meaning it's not realistic. The crypto has done such a major increase in value over the last couple of days that, the graph has gone completely crazy, and it's changed the way that it's been, the lines have changed, and it's looking very steep right now. But again, yes, over the coming weeks, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Cocos, but nothing major, nothing too crazy. Potentially hitting about $3.20 to $3.30 is what I'm expecting over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say early April to mid-April, we should see an overall increase in value. But again, not as steep as you see here on the chart. It's going to be a slow and steady increase in value, and again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days over the coming weeks. Of course, we are going to have red days, we are going to have green days. It's going to be quite volatile, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And at this moment in time, yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Cocos. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are new to the channel. So for those of you guys who are interested on daily updates on the crypto market, what you guys can do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, guys. After that, it will expire, so make sure you're quick because more than half the spaces have already gone. And also, if you do manage to get in for $14.99, don't worry guys, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member, and yes, it is cancel anytime. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, and yes, I am into crypto for the long term, not the short term trade. And also you get put into a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on the crypto market, mainly Bitcoin, because more or less, guys, Bitcoin is what drives the market in a positive or negative direction. And you guys can ask analysis and predictions for other cryptos, which I will also provide in the group chat. Everything is included for $14.99. So guys, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. And now back to Cocos and its Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we have officially broken out from the red zone into the green zone right now. And the last time we were trading in the green zone was just about a year ago, but even then it wasn't as high as it is at the moment. So when things like this happen, when it literally breaks out from the middle bit here all the way up to the green zone and breaks out without resisting, it is very likely for the crypto to be dropping back down into the red zone over the coming days or even in the coming hours as well. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting from Cocos. And those of you who are looking to short trade on Cocos right now, personally, it is a very, very risky time to get into it. And even in the long run, guys, I would wait for it to drop back down in value before I invest into it. But again, right now, for myself anyway, it's a risky time. But again, if you guys want to go invest into it, go for it. I'm just here to give you guys my predictions and my takes on this crypto. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Cocos, guys. Hopefully we should be able to hit the $10 mark in Q3 of 2022 is what my 2023 is what my expectations are. So over the next 6 to 7 months time, we should be able to hit the $10 mark. But again, it depends on any collaborations or projects or partnerships that they've got going on that can have an impact on its value. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Cocos, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.